All right, we're back at it again. We're making a Huli Huli Hawaiian chicken. It's so nice they named it twice. We're going to start off with some pineapple juice. And this is our marinade, guys. You want to marinate this for about 4 to 6 hours if you have the time. Going with some regular red ketchup. With some soy sauce. Brown sugar. Some rice wine vinegar. And a little bit of Dijon mustard. Mix that all together. Start getting it a little bit incorporated. We're going to hit it with our W sauce. A little bit of sesame seed oil. We are really building flavors here. It's going to be a phenomenal marinade. And this is optional. We're going to hit it with that Baron Burton's everyday hot sauce. You don't have to. It's up to you if you want a little bit of a kick. Nothing crazy. And then we're going to hit it with our Windy City barbecue rub. Whisk that all together. And then let's get our chicken thighs inside. And like I said, 4 to 6 hours in the fridge should give you a nice marinade. Once we have those, let's set them aside. And let's work on our pineapple. Cut the top of the pineapple off. Set her to the side. Move her over just a little bit. And let's skin that pineapple. No, I'm not the best at doing this. You may be better. If you have a pineapple core, you can also do that. That'll make your life a lot easier. And then let's cut that up. And we're going to get this on the big green egg in indirect or direct heat just to give a little bit of a char. So you can just kind of cut these up any way you really want. It doesn't have to be perfect. I am not a perfect pineapple cutter. Once you got all that done, let's go out to the big green egg. We're cooking over Jealous Devil charcoal. There we go. We'll start with the chicken. Start it indirect. Let it smoke a little bit. Let all those flavors really set in. Now, once it starts looking good, ooh, look at that marinated chicken. It's fantastic. It starts looking nice, right? The outside's starting to get a little bit dry. The same marinade that we made, I also made a mop out of. So then we're going to hit it with that mop and just kind of keep the outside nice and moist. Once all of that is done, let those chickens go a little bit longer, and then we're going to go over the coals direct and get a little bit of char on that chicken. Once we pull that chicken off, we will go with our pineapple direct over the coals just to give it a little bit of char. Nothing crazy. We just want to add it as a nice topper. It's going to be fantastic on this chicken. Once we got some color, some grill marks, as they may say, pull it on off, cut it up. Look at that. It looks beautiful. Chop it into little squares just so we can make it a nice little topping. Perfect. Now we got our chicken completely off the grill. It's rested for a few minutes. Look at that beautiful color. Got a little bit of char. It's going to be delicious. Kind of line them up here. Don't forget those juices. Drizzle them on top. You don't want to leave any of that flavor. Once again, go over with just a little bit of that mop that we made, which once again is the exact same thing as the marinade. Drizzle on a little bit of those grilled pineapples. Guys, if you like our recipes, make sure you like and subscribe. And there you go, Huli Huli Chicken. It's so nice. They named it twice. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. See you next time.